Hello, in this video we are going to show you how you can create a perspective carousel. From plugin menu, click Manage Carousels. You have a carousel already defined when you install the plugin. So you can start this one, you can start using this one, or you can add a new carousel. For each carousel you have settings, playlist, delete, duplicate and preview. Preview option is available on any section. In carousel settings you have general settings, you have controller settings and circle timer settings, and of course preview option. In playlist you can edit the images already defined, or you can add a new one. In our case we have no images defined, so click add new. We'll insert an image, a main image from media library. So show, insert into post. The same for the thumbnail. The thumbnail is optional. You can set a title. For each image, you can define what it will be open when you click it. You can define a link and the link target. You can define a large image, a YouTube video, a Vimeo video, a self-hosted video, and an audio file. These will be opened in a Lightbox window, and this will be open in the same window or in a new window. We'll make an example for each case. The first image will have a link which will be open in a new window. So add record. Now let's add a new a new example which will have a large image. First let's insert the main image and preview thumbnail and preview thumbnail. So for the large image is the same thing. We'll just insert the image from media library. Let's add a title. The title is also optional. We want to put it at the end, so we'll uncheck set it first. Add record. Now let's add a new example, this time on a YouTube video. Insert the main image and thumb. And for the YouTube video, we'll just copy the ID, which is this one after V equals. So this is the YouTube video ID. We'll just paste it here. Let's put a title and add record. Now let's see in the playlist what we have. We can preview the carousel. This one has a link. This one has an image, and the last one has an YouTube. We can add the other examples. We'll add a Vimeo. So the main image, for the Vimeo we'll just copy the ID, which is this one, and paste it here. Let's put a title, add record. Now in the playlist we can rearrange the playlist items. If you'll preview it, you'll see this one opens the link, this one opens the large image with a full screen button, this one opens the YouTube video, and this one opens the Vimeo video. We'll do some quick two more examples, which is for the last two options, self-hosted video and the audio file. First we'll insert the images, the same for the thumbnail. Let's put a title. For the self-hosted video, we'll upload the videos from Media Library. First of all, we have to have some videos in Media Library. So from our computer, we'll just drag these videos. Please make sure that you have MP4 and WebM extensions. Some browser will load MP4 and some browsers will load WebM. What you need to make sure is that you have the very same name for both videos, only the extension will be different, and you'll upload both in the same time, so the link will be similar. Now from Media Library you go to Video and click Insert into Post, the video you just uploaded. Add record. Now let's add some audio file. It is the same thing for the audio file. You'll take it from Media Library, but you first need to upload it in case you don't have it in Media Library. The files need to have the very same name, only the extension for the MP3 and OGG. Some browser will load the MP3 and some browser will load OGG. In case you want to work on all browsers and all devices, you need to have both extensions. So just drag them in your Media Library, and from Media Library go to Audio and click Insert into Post. It doesn't matter if you insert the OGG or MP3, because the carousel will take into account only this section, and the extension will be added. So let's add a title. Add record. Now back to playlist. We have the last two images defined. You can preview. This one will open the audio file, and this one will open the self-hosted video. From carousel settings, by default you have three visible items. You can set, for example, 5, and when you'll preview it, you'll see that 5 images will be shown. You can also set a color for the title. You can set a border, let's say 2, and choose a color for off-state border and a color for on-state border, or you can write transparent if you don't want a border. Update settings. Now let's preview it. Here you have the carousel with border. Now let's see how it looks in our website. We'll just copy the shortcode. We'll go to pages or posts. In our case, we'll go to pages. We'll edit the page where we want to insert the carousel. We'll just paste the shortcode. And now let's view the page. Here we have our carousel with all examples. That's it.